Hey, what's up everyone? How you doing? It is me, Tim, out for a windy walk on this windy day here in Michigan today. Yeah, it's a windy one here. You can tell the trees are just blowing in the wind. If you could tell. Yeah, got a high wind advisory out for us here in Michigan today up until 7 o'clock tonight. So it's gonna be a windy one here in the Great Lakes state. So how's everyone's Wednesday going? Hope your Wednesday's been a good one and treating you all real good. Hey, how's your weather? Let me know in the comment box how your weather is for you, where you're at. Just curious what your weather is doing for you today. Let me know in the comment box what your weather is doing for you, where you are watching me from. I want to say hi to 2 new subscribers to my channel. First off, I want to say hi to Joe King Travel Trailer Trash. Hello, Joe King Travel Trailer Trash. I checked your channel out. You don't have any videos up on your channel. Just was wondering, Joe King, if you got any plans to do any videos for your channel. I hope to see one up on your channel. That way you can have people come to your channel and check you out. Again, welcome, Joe King. Also, I want to say hi to Resourceful Mama. Hello, Resourceful Mama. Thank you for commenting on some of my videos yesterday. I checked your channel out. You got a pretty good channel. I really enjoyed it. I like the pizza thing that you did with your boys. You got some handsome boys, you do. Yeah. You got some handsome boys. Should be proud of them. Should be proud of them. But again, Resourceful Mama, welcome to my channel, and I hope you will like it. So, what does everyone have on their plans for today? For this on Wednesday? Well, I hope your plans are good. If they are, hey, enjoy them. Let's see, what did we do today? Well, I got up about 6 o'clock this morning and got around and got washed up because I had to go and pick up my son from work at 7, so I got up at 6, and then after that came home and I had me a bowl of cereal, not bowl of cereal, oatmeal with some toast with peanut butter and a glass of milk. Had that for breakfast this morning, and then just sat, played on the computer, watched a YouTube video, and then after that I decided that I was bored, so I left and waited for a train to come and got a video of a train. Took it a long time to come, but it came. And then after that I decided to come out here where I take my walks at. That's where I'm wandering right now on the trail, where I take my wonderful walks at. And after done here, probably just gonna head back home and just chill for the rest of the day. And get back on the computer, play around on the computer, and all that great stuff. And find something to do that will entertain me until my son gets up. And then I'm sure me and him's gonna decide on what to have for dinner tonight. Don't know what yet. So hard to know what two people want sometimes. But we'll figure it out. I've been thinking about some pancakes. I bought these packages of pancakes from a Family Fare, a store that we got here. Got some different kind of packages, chocolate, and then let's say a pumpkin spice and a cinnamon spice. And we did have cinnamon spice, so I might try the pumpkin spice tonight for dinner. Have something easy and whip up, then have that for dinner. And then just chill until the news comes on at 5 o'clock and see what's been going on around our fine local area today. Yeah, great local area. And then after that, it will be time for the evening news and see what's been going on around this world today. And then after that, it will be time for my game show, Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, I watch Wheel of Fortune every night, Monday through Friday. And then after Wheel of Fortune, then I'll flip it to the A&E network and watch Duck Dynasty. The last few shows are on the A&E network for Duck Dynasty, so probably we'll watch some good old Duck Dynasty tonight until I have to take my son to work tonight. Man, that's how my Wednesday's gonna treat me and respect me. That's how my Wednesday's gonna treat me and respect me. Well, everyone, I hope all of you enjoyed this video here today. And if you did, go thumbs up. Share it if you can. And if you're new and popped along this video, hey, hit that red subscribe button down below and click on it. Subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos that I have. I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Well, again, everyone, y'all take it easy out there and have a super duper one. And if any of you out there is getting close to getting into Thursday, or almost stepping into Thursday, wherever you're at, or if you're already into Thursday, let me know. Well, happy Thursday if you're into it. And if you're still into Wednesday and having a great Wednesday wherever you're at, well, hey, happy Wednesday. Again, y'all take it easy. Have a fantastic one. And this vlog is over.